This is Josh with TLC. We're here just doing a deck over one of our little creeks in our town. So today all we're going to be able to do is rinse. We can't use any chemical. We don't want to put anything in that water that shouldn't be there. But pretty good sized deck. All they're wanting is the lower side, so we're going to have to just kind of use a little bit more pressure than normal and go all the way around. They also said that there's a couple rotten boards, and if we start digging into them, they know that. There's a possibility. We're going to replace a couple, repaint. And so with all the flake and paint and all the messed up boards they already know about, we've already talked about it before we started. They just wanted to get all this excess dirt off.